Hello guys, it's Imran from Artintech. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a priority model in Prospect software. So we'll start with going in settings, and we look for selling priority model. We'll hit that, and here you will see four options with a little detail for priority model, which basically priority model is that you can set the priority model for any inventory you want, like how you want your inventory uh, to be set as in the priority model. As we have four options, FIFO is first in, first out. Then we have LIFO, last in, first out. Then we have closest to expiration and batch quantity. So you can set any priority model according to your inventory. So we'll set first in, first out, and hit save, and the message will appear here. As you can see, selling priority status updated. So that's it. That's how you set up the priority model. Thank you.